I don't hit up our eye.
Keep your voice down. Anyway, I know that me at all. Maybe if you notice anything strange.
Strange like what, sir?
You never hear what she said? Oh, she never see the person who lick her down. And how all of a sudden the whole place just full of a darkness. So you don't find that strange.
We don't understand what you mean.
You never hear what she said? About all the call she a call Shalman. Shalman couldn't hear her. So you don't find that strange.
We still not get you.
Well, listen to me. Take my foolish advice. But me think say Shalman better carry her go look out, you know. Because me don't know why. But me just feel see him greet, you know.
You mean Charlie? No man, Charlie wouldn't do a thing like that.
No! Idiot! Not him! Him! You forget say never like her from morning.
How we attack? Who you really attack?
Lord! You know say me not supposed to pine with my finger! All of me mouth!
You mean it? You mean?
Imagine, I came home from school. I want to find some space to mark the students and few little books. And I can't even find space because of Sherman and they all drunk them over the place. Well, all right. Me and him and them drunk inside us today. You must stop seeing this place, man. But how can I keep this place tidy without falling drunk over the place, eh? Tell me something. His son used to be nasty and untidy when he was a little boy. I can just imagine how you had to beat the hell out of him to let him keep the place tidy. Oh, how you must have wished I had a daughter instead. Daughter. But what we saying, you? If it was a daughter, I couldn't be my husband. I don't know. When we just met, it was such a nice, friendly, fun-loving person. He would do anything for me. He was so friendly. But now, since he took over that taxi business, he is a changed man. Now everything is a taxi, and the taxi is everything. All right, we are having that today. It's either me or you're drunk. I wonder what this is. Well, whatever this is, I don't think this is the right place for it.
Must apologize. How are you doing a box that way, man? You know the way of finger my things. I am sure you want to go in the taxi.
Shut up. Where you going with that box? And what you having it?
I have something very important enough for me taxi, man. What you want?
I don't want anything, but you're not taking it inside the bedroom.
So we are full of me for like when foul and look hard.
I just want to see where you're going to put it.
See there, no car, no in there.
Well, whether I be calm or whether I be drunk, you're not taking it inside the bedroom. Too much taxi in this place, man. You have so much junk outside and you want to take it and carry it inside the bedroom. Sean, man, look on top of the roof. Eh? Look on top of the roof. Look how much junk you have out there. Could I make a next junk taxi? Why you want to take this place and turn it to a junkyard, eh?
Why you don't find out my business, Sir Giles? This taxi thing has my life. 10 years now, me I am married. I first, you know, I'm in a taxi business.
Shalman, I was supportive of you from the start. But not when I let you take over our life space. Not like this. Not when I can't invite my friends to come here and have a good time. You know how many times my friends ask me to host a little party here for them, and I have to give them all sorts of excuse because of you are all drunk.
So much the better. Make them keep them party at school. A man's house is in private castle. What make you think of man put building block as the fence on the house?
That's so right, John.
No, Joyce. The privacy, man. Privacy.
Well, listen, I don't want to be fencing here any longer.
But after me not fencing, missus. Me not fencing, you know. But they come in and say you want fence out me and my taxi. You move this, you move that. You clean this, you clean that. Sometimes you clean out the old car when me not beg you to do it.
Stay right there, don't move, I just remember something.
So why not to move after me not start show? Yeah, man, I can't eat that, you know, but sure. I'm gonna come provoke me today, yeah. Because you know I'm what you want, Jais?
What are these?
I want this. A sweetie.
No, I'm not sweetie. I hate sweet you. I know, but I'm standing and going like you don't know what that is enough. What you doing with condoms?
How will you get them from me?
I never get it. I found it in your old car this morning when I was cleaning it out. So tell me something. What you have to say for yourself?
When me have is a bit. Guys, I must be all care support family planning. Alright, TMP, thanks, man. Yeah, I take time, yes, sir. Go running, sir. Now I'm holding on. Boy, I'm going to tell you, I miss it by the skin of my teeth to rotting. If it wasn't for one of my taxi brethren, them who preps their turn and them like, and show me, say them around the corner, I'd have must run in at them. But what out and yallop and the V-Backs? If me did run in at them, the police would block them. Because my taxi license expired a long time. Boy, I tell you some taxi brethren are in, but some of them, they run you off of it. We had one of the guys, how we are go? In Joyce, how we are do? You know, me not even know you there, how we are say? Yeah? Joyce? Joyce! As man you talk to you, me say, where you go?
You don't have eyes to see. I'm going to my mother's house.
Go your mother yard? So how come you have your mother yard and I don't know nothing about it? And I'm saying more than I'm a few mama yard that you have a big way.
Shalman, don't ask me any stupid question. It's one thing I know I don't have anything in it for you, and I don't want anything from it either. Still leave the piece of bamboo on the dressing table in there.
Oh, wait. This is what I want. How come you get this upset and I am my yard so I don't know? Wait. Guys, a plan to left me. Fiwa!
Let me ask you the question. What to let people come into the house to me for you?
Which me don't know no people here, man.
You don't know my people. You don't know my people. First, the little boy came here saying that his aunt sent him to Mr. Wisdom for the partner money. Like I don't have sense to know what he's talking about. Then there's a little girl came here saying that she come to Mr. Wisdom for the thing. Look how long Mr. Wisdom dead and gone. 2 weeks ago, a man came inside there and nearly killed me. Now yesterday, a woman come and come ask you. Shalman, why are you doing all of this to me?
Doing what to you, Joyce? And I'm with some man at the other. Me don't know her, man.
You don't know her? So how comes she could have so bright and tame to come here and come ask you? And how come she